Hello, World Class. Sorry I didn't manage to record an episode yesterday, but I accidentally left the book at school. But so I'll record 2 for today, okay? So our chapter for now is chapter 9 from Ottoline at Sea.
I first perfected the whistle of the wild, on my hot air balloon tour of the South Seas, said Thor Thorensen as they sailed away. When a passing albatross saved me from a volcano, then in South America I met some very helpful llamas.
Yes, said Ottoline. You whistled and they carried you over the Andes. That's Mr. Munro's favourite bit in your book. She sighed. Thor put 3 fingers in his mouth and blew. Ottoline couldn't hear a thing, but the bear covered his ears.
"Ooh-wee!"
he yelped. There's Thor Thorensen with his fingers in his ears. With his fingers in his mouth, sorry. A few moments later, 2 sea turtles surfaced next to the Conliki, followed by a large whale. Then a sea eagle appeared and dropped down onto the mast.
Given a lift to anyone small and hairy recently? Asked Thor.
The turtles nodded, and the eagle gave a screech, and the whale blew water out of its blowhole. Can you show us where he went? Asked Ottoline. And there they all are. Do you remember them being carried in the talons of the bird? I think he went inside the whale. It was on top of the turtles. I think we might be able to find him. The Conliki sliced through the waves until they came to the coast of Norway. Then they followed the creatures of the wild up a narrow fjord. My parents are looking for Quite Bigfoot, the abominable, sorry, I always struggle on that word, abominable troll. And I think Mr. Munro has gone to help them, said Ottoline. He might be shy, but he's rather brave and quite helpful too.
Quite Bigfoot! Exclaimed Thor, shaking his head. Why, he's...
I know, said Ottoline. 8 feet tall, snaggle-toothed, and with a terrible temper and huge claws, sticking up hair, eyes as big as headlamps.
And quite big feet, said Thor. At least, that's what they say.
There they are on the boat. At the end of the fjord, Thor helped Ottoline and the bear ashore and gave a whistle. There's a picture of the bear, I'll show you, and then I'll talk you through the labels. So the bear is wearing an explorer's hat, minty woodvine scarf, bog trotter boots, Captain Pasternak's jacket, and a suitcase containing Himalayan rain hood, Patagonian poncho and hairbrush. The bear took a photograph of Ottoline standing with Thor Thorensen. May I have your autograph too, please? She said, blushing. It's for Mr. Munro, when I find him. And there is the picture of the pictures that they took. Just then, a mountain goat trotted up. Ninian, at your service, he said. How can I help you? Would you be so kind? Sorry, it's Thor.
Would you be so kind as to give my friends here a lift over the mountain to the bog on the other side? Asked Thor Thorensen politely.
Ninian looked the bear up and down. I'll need some help, Bradley, he bellowed. A large, shaggy Norwegian mountain ox came clip-clopping down the mountainside. Meet Bradley, said Ninian. Thor waved goodbye.
Happy roving,
he called, readying the Conliki to set sail. And there is the bear, Thor Thorensen, and Ottoline on their new modes of transport. And that is the end of that chapter.
I'll record another one, but I will pause this one. See you later. Bye.